What is up, guys, and welcome back. So in this video we're going to be working up with our this button right here, so that if someone is on mobile device, he should be taken to the page, and if someone is on computer, he should see a pop-up. So let's go ahead and let's hit edit with Elementor. Okay, and now here I want to come here, and you can see that on mobile this is basically hidden. Okay, so what I want to do, I just want to go ahead and I want to just hit edit widget. I basically want to copy this widget. I want to duplicate this widget, so I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna hit this, and I'm gonna hit duplicate. Okay, so you can see that another one is right here. Okay, and for here I want this to be slash hire dash me, same like this. I want to go down and I want to do it with this guy right here. So I want to come here, to duplicate, and this is right here. Okay, and the first one should be having hash hire me. That's gonna trigger the pop-up, and the second one is going to be hire dash me. Okay, so how this is gonna work, we have to do some changes right now. Okay, so let's go to here. Let's come here, and this is the hashtag hire me that is gonna trigger the pop-up. Okay, so for this we want the pop-up to be triggered only on desktop and tablet, so this should be disabled on phone, and we want the link to be redirected on mobile devices. Okay, so this will be disabled on desktop and on tablet. Same like that, we have to do this right here. Okay, so let's select this, and you can see that this hashtag hire me is gonna trigger the pop-up. So this hire me should be disabled on phone. Okay, let's come here, hashtag or hide on mobile, and this redirecting, this is gonna redirect slash hire me, or you can enter the full URL. Basically I'm using the slash hire me. This means that if this is written itanzil.com, then slash hire me will add a slash hire me to my website. Okay, so this is basically used for that. So now what I want to do, I want this to be only enabled on mobile device. Let's go ahead, and this will only be enabled on mobile device, so this will be hidden on desktop and tablet. Okay, let's go ahead and let's hit save. Let's come here and let's refresh this page. So on refreshing, you'll see only one button is appearing. Okay, only one button will also appear right here. This is triggering the pop-up. You can see here hashtag hire me is coming, and if I bring my mouse here, this is triggering the pop-up. Okay, so let's click this. You can see that pop-up is appearing. Let's go down and let's click this. You can see pop-up is appearing. Okay, if I do this and I increase the size to be like tablet mode, I want it to be the tablet mode. Okay, so on tablet mode, you can see that pop-up is still coming, and here as well pop-up is coming. Okay, and if it is the mobile device, so this is the mobile device. If I click here, you can see that it is redirecting me to the hire me page. So this is how it works. You can do unlimited things, guys. Seriously, you can see that pop-up will not be open on a mobile device. If I go down and I click this, it is taking me to the hire me page. So this is how you manage this. You create two buttons separately, and one button will be visible for desktop, and the other one will be that. So that the first button is going to trigger the pop-up, and the second one is going to do that. So this is how you can manage everything. So now we are totally done with our website. Okay, this is how we're done. Now we also have to make some changes to the menus right here. So I want to assign this to be the services. So I'll just add the CSS effect to be hash service. Let's come here. Let's go there, and we want to add this to be about. So I want to come here. I want to just select this, and this is basically set to about. If I just come here to advanced, you can see that the CSS ID is about. I go down, and this is the one, the service. So I want to come here to style. I want to go to advanced, and I want to add this CSS. What I can do about. So this CSS ID should be service, services, services. Okay, and this should be follow, FOLLO, and this should be the call to action, so we don't want anyone to call to action. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit save. Okay, and now I want to go to this guy right here, and I want to go to menus. So in the menu, I want to work with this. Okay, what I have to do, I have to change the services, and on this, it should not take me to a page. Okay, basically what I want the custom link. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit remove. I am gonna hit remove, and I'm also gonna hit remove to the blog as well, and the contact as well. Okay, I want to go down, and here it says the custom links. I'm just gonna come here, I'm just gonna add the URL. So my URL is gonna be for services, it should be services. Okay, and link text is going to be services. Okay, and then I also want to add one more, and that is going to be about. Sorry, this is going to be hashtag about. Okay, and this name is going to be about. I also want to add one more, and that is going to be find us on. Find us, not us, us on. Okay, and this is going to be follow, hashtag follow, because we added that follow link. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit add to menu, and I'm gonna bring this to top right here. Cool, and this should be. Okay, this should be below. Let's go and let's hit save menu. And now let's come here, and let's view our page. So now you can see how this is gonna look. If I just click about, it's gonna take me to the about section. If I just click services, it's gonna take me to the services section. And if I just click find us on, it's gonna take me to the follow me on section. So this is how it works. So thanks a lot guys for watching this till here. We're also gonna do some changes to a logo because it was not looking cool on a mobile device. So if I just decrease the size a bit, I want the logo to be decreased much. So I think logo is looking cool, but if you want to decrease it, we can. Let's go ahead and let's hit customize. Okay, and we want to customize this logo. So let this be loaded. We want to go to the header section right here, and I want to go to logo. Sorry, okay, I want to go to typography, and I want to go to logo right here. So here we go. You can see that it says font size. So I want to come here, I want to select the mobile, and on mobile the font size should be this much. Okay, on tablet it is cool, on this it is cool. Let's go ahead and let's hit save. So you can see that we are also done with our logo customization as well. So this theme gives you pretty well customizability. You can customize everything, and now you can see that we are totally done with our website. We have also done with our section. You can see that we have created a one-page website, and this website is looking amazing. It's looking seriously amazing. So now we are done with this. In the next video, we're gonna add something to footer. We're gonna work with this footer copyrights, and then we're gonna move forward. Goodbye.